In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Behance username. If you've rebranded, want a cleaner portfolio link, or simply need your Behance handle to match your other platforms, updating it takes just a minute. I'll walk you through the exact clicks, explain what you are seeing on the screen, and share a few tips so you feel confident making the change. Start by opening Behance in your web browser. Once you are on the site and viewing your account, look to the top right corner. Click on your profile avatar to open the drop-down menu. Then choose Settings. This takes you to the main settings area where you manage your profile, notifications, and account details. We're heading straight to the section that controls your public URL on the left-hand toolbar. Select Account Information. This page holds the essentials tied to your account identity. Take a moment to confirm you are in the right place. You should see fields related to your account data, and most importantly, your Behance URL. Find the Behance URL section. You'll see your current link displayed in the format b.net / your username. This is the link you share with clients and collaborators. So changes here affect how people find your portfolio. Click Edit next to that URL. A field will appear where you can type the new username you want. Enter your desired username carefully and check the on-screen feedback. Behance will let you know if the name is available, and it may prompt you if the handle is taken or doesn't meet formatting rules. Keep your handle simple, memorable, and, if possible, consistent with your brand across other platforms. If your first choice isn't available, try small variations that keep your identity clear, like adding a middle initial or a short, relevant word. Once you are happy with the new username and it shows as available, click Apply to confirm the change. Give the page a moment to update. After it's saved, your public portfolio link updates immediately to the new URL. It's a good idea to open a new tab and visit your new link to make sure everything looks correct. Then update your link wherever you've shared it, your website, resume, social bios, and past project. Credits so people can reach you without issues. That's it. Thanks for watching.